Hi guys, welcome to Bikers Club channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about 2023 Harley Davidson Electra Glide Highway King first look. So make sure to watch the full video. The Icons motorcycle collection crew at Harley Davidson is back with another traditionally styled motorcycle based on the historic Electra Glide platform. The 2023 Harley Davidson Electra Glide Highway King is inspired by the 1968 ft-lbs Electra Glide, the top of the line from the motor company when Jimi Hendrix released Electra Glide. Priced at $26,999, the new Highway King is indisputably a sibling of the Electra Glide revival we tested 2 years ago. The Highway King is a short step back in time to when the Electra Glide featured a windshield rather than a batwing fairing. Also, the Highway King has a 16-inch front wheel rather than the revival's 17-inch front hoop. Like the revival, the Highway King boasts wire spoke wheels shod with bias-ply whitewall Dunlop Harley-Davidson Series tires. The paint is predictably epic, with a pair of two-tone offerings. Birch white is complemented by either hi-fi magenta, 750 to be built, or hi-fi orange, and each bike is numbered. Although the color is matched on the detachable windshield, the side cases are white on both versions. Harley Davidson Vice President of Design and Creative Director Brad Richards explains the choice. In 1968, the accessory fiberglass saddlebags were only offered in white, so we've done the same in 2023. The result is a thoroughly modern motorcycle that looks unapologetically old school. The two-tone solo saddle has an adjustable suspension system, a nice touch, as the rear wheel travel is just 2.15 inches. Although still tall at 29.5 inches, it is 1.4 inches lower than the Revival's leg-stretching perch. Between your knees is a 6-gallon fuel tank with retro-inspired tank badges. There's also vintage-style Electra Glide badging on the front fender. Chrome is abundant, including the railing around the back of the seat, which is reprised for the side cases and front fender. More chrome is found on the air cleaner cover, primary case cover, and exhaust system. Highway bars are also standard and chromed. 3 headlights with chrome nacelles lead the way. The Milwaukee-Eight 114 twin powering the Highway King is all about torque. It cranks out 122 foot-pound of force at just 2750 revolution per minute. The 95 horsepower peak comes at 5020 revolution per minute. If you want more power, Screamin' Eagle stage upgrade kits are compatible. Harley Davidson's cornering rider safety enhancements package is standard. The linked Brembo brakes, anti-lock braking system, and traction control engine-based skid control during downshifts are all cornering aware. Hill hold is also part of the electronics package, all unimaginable in 1968, yet welcome 55 years later. What do you think about our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel before you go.